a few ideas, the wooden wall shelf ideas. Create sleek floating shelves by cutting wood planks to your desired lengths and attaching them to the wall using hidden brackets and supports. Use wooden ladders as the frame and add wooden planks to horizontally between the ladder rungs. Create shelves, stand, rustic look. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos, and this video also share to your friends and also family members. Cut them and hexagons, mount them together in the honeycomb and pattern unique and stylish shelving unit. Gather sturdy branches or logs, cut them into Julia and actual lengths to mount them on the backing rod, so creating a natural visually appealing shelf. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Utilize reclaimed wood from plates, old furniture or other sources to build rustic shelves, stand and finishes them for weathered appearance. Construct triangular shaped wooden shelves to fit a strong into a corner, maximizing space utilizing well-box sharp shelves, cutting the wooden pieces, assembling them from cubic rectangular boxes. This can add a range of various configurations around the wall. Remember to sand the wooden properly and fringes or strands prescribed and securely attach the shelves to walls following proper and current guidelines to safety and stability. Certainly shabby chic of style often involves distressed weather and vintage limits. We have some ideas for wall shelf in the shabby chic style. Create floating shelves using reclaimed or new wooden strands to a wooden by stranding edges or corners for the one lock. One lock apply pastel and muted pet for colors slightly as them theme the weathered fringe. Repurpose all drawers by removing the bottoms of attaching to the wall horizontally. Line the inside of each for floating wallpaper charming touch. Mount decoration cobblers on the wall and place weathered wooden planks on the top. Create shelves. Distress the blanks and cobblers or an arched appearance. Stack and protect wooden crafts on the wall in various configurations. Paint or distress them the warm rustic look. Fuse them in individually combination together form a larger shelf. Choose plywood wood or create shelves them in whitewash the wooden with white paint will achieve a fade out vintage appearance and brightly reveal wood grain. Remove the grass from vintage pictures frames or attach the wall. Place weather wooden boards inside the frames to create shelves. Hang wooden board thick juice or ropes attached to ceiling. For wall mounted support squares, the wood appeal for floral accessories, less and shabby chic decor. Remember with a shabby chic style impression, distress furniture or part of aesthetics experiment with a band of distress techniques. Your wooden wall shelf looking good. So